Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can find your saved reels on Facebook. So what is saved reels? I will show you how to save reels so you can know what saved reel is first. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First, you want to go to video at the bottom, and over here you can start seeing reels like this. So let's say I like this reel. What I can do is click on the three dot, click on save reel. Now once I do that, this reel will be saved. Just like this, you have saved a reel. Now let's say you have saved multiple reels and you want to see them again. In that case, what you need to do is click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen on Facebook. Once you do that, it'll take you to the menu page of Facebook. Now once you're in the menu section of Facebook, at the top you can see your profile name being displayed. You want to click on your profile name and it's going to bring you to your Facebook profile. And right under your Facebook profile, you can see this option called Reels, which is right below edit profile. So click on reels, and on reels it's going to show you two options, liked and saved. Since we want to see our saved reels, we'll click on saved, and all the reels we have saved is going to be shown over here. As you guys can see, the one which I just saved is also being shown over here. That's how you guys can find your saved reel on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.